In today's news, the market, unsurprisingly, seems to be slowing down a little bit over the Christmas holidays. However, the way I see it is this is just the calm before the storm, because next year, less than a week away now, 2025, has all the makings to become the great wealth transfer. And in my opinion, XRP is currently positioned to be the most dominant altcoin in all of this market, seeing excessive gains going much higher into 2025. As we can see right here, proof that Ripple is a leader in the Payments Association, which is the most influential community in payments, where connections, collaborations, and learning shape an industry that works for all. Their ultimate goal is to achieve global regulatory clarity, which is a very, very big deal considering the market we're going into right now. And this is why the NYFDIC was invited by Ripple to the Ripple Swell event. They became the largest crypto regulatory unit anywhere in the world after all. It's just a very, very big deal, hence why Ripple wants to get a connection to them. Crypto right now is living up to its potential to become a form of currency, the next step in evolution from paper fiat currency, and trade files are eager to be a part of this shift. And this is precisely why many banking institutions, including the Federal Reserve, are backing and leveraging Ripple and XRP and their technology. As it is documented here in a 2024 Ripple document on trends and regional payments for next year, 2025, it states that the FedNow will experience a powerful network effect because everyone's on it, because everybody is on it. It's going to explode much, much higher, and better still, the prediction is highly likely to become much more significant based on the fact that when you consider institutions like Walmart, for example here, who plans to go live with FedNow on a commercial basis next year. Huge news. Walmart, who has over $500 billion in yearly annual revenue, will likely accelerate the widespread use of real-time payments. And you can even hear a short clip here where it stated that instant payments, so therefore FedNow, will take off, and it will happen very fast, very sudden, and seemingly very soon. Listen closely.
When instant payments take off, they're going to take off so quickly in the country that you need to be able to scale rapidly and potentially using cloud, because if you're relying on, standard typical data centers, it's going to catch you out very quickly.
Now this is groundbreaking, absolutely huge news, very, very important. But why is it important, you ask? Well, the crucial point here is that the FedNow's rapid adoption will only be possible because of open banking, which, as we can see here in this document, is the process that enables third parties to initiate payments on behalf of its customers. Ripple right now currently stands to be the major beneficiary of this shift due to the technology and institutional connections. XRP is in a prime position, which is why I'm so bullish on XRP, but equally due to the shift happening in crypto right now, why I'm so bullish on crypto for this massive sudden shift that's about to take place early 2025, which is why I created my own community, a Discord server where over 550 of us right now are working towards building our knowledge of XRP and crypto, building our wealth. And the executives here are even more locked in, learning even more, like how to actively make money. For example, we hit a 2,400% gain recently, a 24 to 25x, and that is just one of many money-making moves our pro traders are providing in this channel. If you want to join, click the link description below, because time seemingly is quickly running out. This shift isn't years away anymore. It's months. The future of finance is closer to us than ever before, and the money to be made is right here, right now. And it is Ripple who has all the cards. They are in the end game right now. They are the end game, with partnerships from Bank of America to Santander, UniCredit, Standard Chartered, Westpac, and Royal Bank of Canada, all of which have joined Ripple, and there are many more seemingly, but they have joined Ripple to create an alternative to SWIFT. What institutions want right now is to make money, and Ripple and XRP will help them make that. This is also why ETFs have become and will continue to be a pivotal entry point for investors, both in retail, more so the traditional retail investors, but also for institutional investors. And as we can see here, XRP has already got an impressive ETF lineup with many more in my opinion, guaranteed to be released following the conclusion of their lawsuit with the SEC. So far, XRP ETFs have been filed by the likes of Bitwise, Canary Capital, 21 Shares, and WisdomTree. But don't forget as well, there's also the Grayscale XRP Trust that will soon, like with Bitcoin, turn into an ETF as well. This is why 2025 for XRP is going to be so bullish. But wait, because that is not all. The other goal these institutions want is not just to make money through crypto, but also to utilize crypto, digital assets, utilize stablecoins to transfer money. And thankfully, Ripple recently released their RLUSD stablecoin. MoonPay here is one example, and they are a premier supporter of Ripple and the RLUSD, and its adoption will only grow more and more as there are even more and more interviews and videos taking place all around the world, with mainstream media platforms as well bringing their attention to it, like this one here from Fox Business highlighting the new RLUSD stablecoin. Take another very close listen.
Ripple, a new stablecoin backed by the US dollar, now available to trade. Would you use Ripple to pay for things?
It's not going to do much for retail, and it likely won't be integrated into the payment economy for some time, if ever. At first, it might be best for facilitating cross-border payments. Think institutional support, since it is a stablecoin. It has a one-to-one backing with the US dollar that allows it to essentially bridge the gap between digital asset and traditional finance. It could be seen as attractive to banks and businesses involved in cross-border payments and remittances. It allows for a faster settlement time. I was talking to Eleanor Terrett. She knows everything crypto here at Fox Business. She says if you look at Ripple's advisory board, you have big wigs on there like the former FDIC chair, Sheila Bair, so they're looking to add legitimacy to it.
Mike, I just don't see cryptos as a medium of exchange. You know, we're going to buy and sell things with crypto.
We've talked about it for years that Bitcoin would be used that way. It hasn't as of yet. It's still managed to go up, but I don't see a world at any time soon where we're using that to buy and sell things.
Now, the one part that I disagree with here is when the gentleman at the end states, I don't see a world where we will use this anytime soon. Because I hate to break it to you, the utilization will likely start next year in 2025 based on the incoming legislation and developments happening in just a few months, potentially a few weeks. Like, for example, Trump's goal to remove tax for American-based companies will be a big deal for getting crypto adopted to soar higher and higher. Therefore, this will also allow Ripple XRP to be exempt. This will help XRP out a whole lot with getting adoption, and as a digital perspective puts it here, also known as Brad Kimes, because Bitcoin's origin is non-disclosed, it's a secret if you will, they may not benefit from the same tax exemptions like XRP would, thus making XRP the undisputed leader of the crypto market. This is game changing for the future of XRP, and once more, all of this taking place happening next year. Literally very, very soon now. And once more, to add the icing on the cake here, cycling back to the point of this video, the FedNow's connection to XRP. We can see here RUSD, the stablecoin. Ripple stablecoin can also be used in FedNow, as FedNow sets the precedent for a digital dollar. So once more, this is supporting the belief that the FedNow are greenlighting the takeoff of Ripple and XRP and the RUSD. Once that will happen very, very soon, the introduction of a digital dollar will perfectly complement this system, as it will be the best medium to transact tokenized cash. Very big deals for XRP coming very, very soon. So ultimately, do your own research, buckle up, because next year will be mind-blowing and very explosive in price actions as well. Come learn a lot more in the Discord server, again linked below, and I'll see you in the next one.